Hi everyone. Happy day for me because my peony order came in today. So thanks to the postie. I don't know how many peonies delivered from Tasmania. I'm a bit ashamed to say how many I've ordered. I think this is box 1 of 2, so I've got more coming. But anyway, peonies. I just wanted to go on and show you what wonderful roots I get from Tasmania. And these beautiful peonies, this is how you receive them, in a bit of sawdust in the post, are really, really good. They're massive and they're healthy. So the trick with peonies is, because they take so long to grow, you need to get your hands on a peony root that's nice like this, big and fleshy, because this is where all the energy is, and that has lots of different, lots of eyes. So the more eyes that the peony has, the more foliage it'll send up, and the more vigor the plant will have going on from there, and the more likely you are to have early flowers. Sometimes peonies won't flower in the first couple of years that you plant them, but with ones like this, I generally find that I'll get flowers in the first year. So these are absolutely beautiful. Now, can you grow peonies in your garden? Well, if you live in the New South Wales Central West, the answer is probably yes. So you just need to have, live in an area that's cold. You don't necessarily need frost, but you do need chill time. So they say up to 300 hours of chill time, so that's weather below 7 degrees Celsius. So generally I think if you can grow stone fruit, apples and things like that, then you obviously can grow and peonies, or at least give them a go. So I order these, like I said, online. They're not overly expensive. Some are more expensive than others. There's some really fancy ones, but these are the herbaceous peonies, so they'll die back at the end of summer, and then they'll come back in spring, like a normal perennial does, and then they'll send up their flowers in late spring. Peony flowers, and I'll put some pictures up, are absolutely divine. They're big and full and ruffly, and this one's not scented coral charm, but some of the other ones that I've purchased, their perfume is better than Chanel No. 5. It's better than French perfume. It's beautiful. So they're the ones you need to grow for your garden and for cut flowers. I think you can still probably get your hands on peony roots now. If not, try autumn next year. That's the time to get them. This is the time to plant them. I won't go too much into planting today. If you want any information on how to plant them, I'm happy to do another video. But I just thought I'd quickly jump on here and show you the excellent quality of peonies. These made me so happy when I unwrapped them today. Yeah, so I'm really excited about putting these in the garden and seeing what happens next year. So happy days for me. Let me know if you grow peonies and if you've had much success and which varieties you grow. I'd really like to hear about that. Thanks. Bye.